Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel and thank you for checking out this video. For our tutorial today, we are going to talk about the Filters tab on the Visibility graphics. If you have watched our video about the Visibility graphics, this is a continuation to share about the Filters tab. But before we start, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell and leave a comment down below. Thank you. Just to elaborate, what is filter about on the Visibility graphics? Filters can be used to identify elements based on the properties or parameters of the elements. It can also be used to apply colors or materials to the elements. We are going to use this floor plan to demonstrate how to use the Filter tab in Visibility graphics. Let's click the Visibility graphics and go to the Filters tab. Currently it's empty, so we are going to click Edit New. For this demo, we will apply the filters to the walls. Let's click New. Then let's name it as Wall 1. Then under the categories, we are going to look for the wall and check it. Just to double check that we only have one category selected, let's click the Hide Unchecked Categories. This will also verify that you have the correct category selected. Then on the filter rules, when you click on None, it drops down the list of parameters that the walls contain. We are going to choose the type name. Then we choose Equals. Then here is the list of wall families that are within this file. Let's choose one of the walls. Then click OK. Then click Add, and select the filter that we have created. And then, we can apply an override to the cut patterns. Click Override. Then on the Fill Pattern graphics, let's choose Solid Fill. And we will choose the red color. Then click OK. On our plan view, we can already identify which wall we have applied with the filter. Let's try that again. On the Filters tab, we can also click Add. Then click Edit New. Let's create a new filter and name it as Wall 2. Then we also override the cut patterns. Then we select a different color. Okay, the wall is not in use on the model. That's why we don't see the yellow filter. Let's try another wall. There it is on the plan. Then let's try another filter. This time we are going to select another category. Let's choose furniture. Then on the filter rules, we are not going to select any of these parameters on the list. We are going to leave it as none. Then click OK. On the projection surface patterns, we are going to apply an override. Then OK. So now in our plan view, all the furniture will have the pattern that we have applied on the filter. So these are the sample of how we can use the filter in our plan view. You can also apply the filters in elevation, sections, or even in 3D view. But the filter can only be applied to a limited number of categories that are listed in the filters dialog. So you can browse through the list to check if you can apply a filter to an element. One example of a drawing that you can use the filters are the fire plans or acoustic plans. Filters can be set to differentiate the different wall fire rating or the wall acoustic rating. You guys can explore this function and apply into your drawings. It will be fun doing it, as much as we did enjoy making this tutorial. Alright, that's it for now. We hope that this tutorial has helped you guys to learn something new in Revit architecture. Please comment down below if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions of a tutorial that we should do. See you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.